As we take a view from our Miami camera, we're seeing a mix of sun and clouds, and the same goes from our Key West camera right now. And you know, although it's dry for now, just like yesterday, don't let the quiet conditions fool you, because we do have this front that's just hanging out to our north, across Lake Okeechobee. South of it, lots of moisture, and we'll see storms later on. But turning our attention now to Hurricane Sam. It is right now Category 1, but forecast to become a dangerous and powerful major Category 3 hurricane as soon as possibly tomorrow, and then a Category 4. It's currently moving to the west at 14 miles an hour, and we do have plenty of time to watch it. It's about 1,400 miles roughly southeast of the northern Leeward Islands, and it is expected to rapidly intensify here as we head into the weekend and become a Category 4 hurricane as we get into late Saturday or Sunday, and then a Category 3 going into Tuesday and Wednesday that could potentially be just to the east of the northern Leeward Islands at this time. It is expected to generally move to the west-northwest, although there's still a lot of uncertainty. There's high pressure currently steering it, and there could be a weakness here in the ridge and allowing for it to move more in a northwesterly direction. Still too soon to say, but certainly something that we have to keep a close eye on here over the next few days, and you can count on us to do so. There are a few other areas that we're watching in the tropics, including a wave near Bermuda, which the National Hurricane Center is giving a medium potential of cyclone development as it lifts northward, and then the remnant of what once was Odette, believe it or not, north of Rose, right now a low potential of that disturbance developing, and yet another wave here off the west coast of Africa with a medium potential of cyclone development. So quite active here as to be expected end of September. Steamy sun now, and then of course with the heating of the day and highs around 90, those afternoon storms will fire up. And I will show you that if you were planning on heading to the beach, well, your window of opportunity is closing, because we will see the chance for some rain later on. But the UV index is very high for now as the sun is still out there in full force. For boaters, winds northeast 5 to 10 knots for tonight. Evening storms, a mild night with the upper 70s, and the future radar is showing that as we get into the afternoon, that's when we'll like to see the action and some heavy downpours at times, possibly around dismissal time for schools and as well into the evening hours. So just keep the umbrellas handy. That moisture sinks around as we get into your Saturday and even part of Sunday. It'll be a transitional day with a chance for some storms, but then drier air is going to filter in and lower our humidity next week. So yes, this first weekend of fall feeling like summer with the 90s and storms around, but then less humid, drier sunshine early next week. Temperatures go down a bit too, the upper 80s by next week.